Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Z-Wave controls from SmartThings using Aeotec, full guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Z-Wave controls from SmartThings using Aeotec, ensure your SmartThings hub. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Tap on the Devices tab to view all connected devices. Locate the Z-Wave control you want to uninstall from the list. Select the device to open its settings. Scroll down to find the Remove Device option. Tap on Remove Device to initiate the uninstallation process. Confirm the removal when prompted by tapping OK. Wait for the app to process the uninstallation. Once removed, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, physically unplug or reset the Z-Wave control as needed. If applicable, refer to the Aeotec device manual for specific reset instructions. Ensure the Z-Wave control is powered off and properly disconnected. Return to the SmartThings app. Verify that the device is no longer listed in your devices. Check the status of your SmartThings hub to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you plan to install a new Z-Wave device, follow the standard installation procedure. You have now successfully uninstalled the Z-Wave control from SmartThings using Aeotec. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.